So bro, this client wanted a water filter installed in her kitchen faucet. She says she wanted a long life but simple filter that she didn't have to worry about changing it very often. Apparently sometimes the water in her apartment is dirty and she can't have that. Her Italian diet consists of a whole lot of pasta and clean water was essential to her. Up to this point she had been using her Brita jug, but she got tired of having to wait until 3 jugs got filtered to cook her spaghettis. I ordered this 3-year filter from Waterdrop since it seemed like a perfect fit for her lifestyle. As advertised, this filters out 24,000 gallons of water in one filter change, so her pasta game is about to change drastically. I came to install it, but I guess I gave her a short notice because when I got there, the cabinet under the sink was more crowded than Best Buy on a Black Friday. As I'm taking everything out to open up space, I confirmed her Italian roots were the real deal. The lady had more olive oil stored under that sink than my local Costco sells in a month. After space was created, I shut the cold water off and connected the provided flexible connections. Then I used the template to put the mounting screws to hang the filter and was done. After, I turned the water back on and drained the first 5 minutes as per instructions. Then I collect a small fee and get ready to leave. As I'm heading out, she offered to make me a fresh plate of pasta, and honestly I expected nothing less from the nice Italian lady, but had to go.